Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, how high can it continue to go? This week was just so awesome and magnificent on Tesla. What are the levels to watch? How to trade this thing at this point? Let's take a look at all that price action, guys. Can we go to $265? We are very close to that. Can we go to $300? We are very close to that, not very far away. Is that a possibility? Let's take a look at all of that in this video, guys. But before that, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So let's start off with the overall how the week is looking like, right? So if I go to the weekly interval, guys, look at this beautiful weekly candle. Like after such a weekly candle, I mean, I'm just speechless here. Like, what do I even say? Guys, yes, but the only thing I can say that is we are bullish, right? We got out of 200 weeks moving average. We are above 50 weeks moving average. We are also above on the daily interval 200 days moving average. Any pullback, as we have been getting, even any pullback came today, we closed in a very positive territory. We are also out of that weekly not the weekly, but yeah, for a year, the lower trending channel, we got out of it with a really nice inverted head and shoulder that I have been calling out, and you are aware about it, right? So we have been going up and up and up. Like, how high can we go, right? So let's start off with my day trading bot. All right. So today was also I didn't turn that on for you guys here. Today was also a great profitable day. You can see the data on the left side here on the table, and we are really crushing it. You know, the bot is doing really well, and you can see today was also a really great profits. Like, we got the really nice buy positions today and sold it off at the pretty much close to the top today as well. So again, data is on the left side of the table. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots. Okay, there are red days as well and there are green days as well, but what I'm showing you is just the data, and we are net profitable. Last 30 trades we are net profitable, and all in all we are coming out well very profitable here. So anyways, links are in the description below if you need access. And real quick, if I show you this on SPY as well, today also on SPY was a really awesome day, guys. Look at this amazing run on SPY. SPY is like super green for us, and this bot can be applied across any given US stock, right? So anyways, 2 indicators, 2 bots, links in the description below if you need access to them. All right, these are only educational tools. You can use them as how you like at your own risk and responsibility. All right, so let's get back to Tesla. I'll talk about SPY and QQ, just show you around in this video, but then we'll talk about that in separate video, QQ and SPY, because market is like meta, $30 up today. But anyways, well, let's talk about Tesla here in this video. This video is for Tesla. So today also, any pullback we just got bought back up. And as I have been saying that, guys, am I seeing any sign of bearishness in these green candles? No. Am I seeing any sign of top consolidation? No. So this thing can just continue higher, and you can see pullbacks are still getting bought back up. My swing bot did give a buy position down here. Now it's just taking profits. Yeah, you know, in this journey, just take the partial profits out. But yeah, even intraday, I showed you my day trading bot is also giving buying and profitable positions. Like, it's all right now, structure is still bullish. All right, period. That's the bottom line, right? And can it go to 265, right? That's the area we are looking at, right? Well, technically it's very possible. It has opened up the door to there. 265 is where we have some resistance, but then $300 as well, it's in that direction over here. So, and that's where this recent previous top is. So 265, 276, and $300 is definitely within the reach, unless I start to see some consolidation on the downside. But anyhow, I'm not seeing any of that. Even you can see on hourly interval, still holding 20 hours moving average, still getting bought back up, closed in really well. Now Tesla going into next week, well, as long as we stay above this 246, even going in today, I talked about, guys, as long as we're above 20 hours moving average and this we keep holding a level here, 246 around, this thing is just going to be bullish. We are bullish. And now if we break above 252 and 78 cents going into next week, expect an upside. If we lose now the level of 246, all right, then you can expect some pullback down to level like 240 and 50 hours moving average. But that all in all will still keep the structure bullish on Tesla, guys. This thing, if it has to form a top, like, like, okay, sure, most of the short sellers, what they do, oh, it's super extended, it's time to sell, it's time to short. But that's where they make the biggest mistake. I mean, when we have this rip, pullbacks are just a buy. These are just the pullbacks that today also we got bought back up. If it has to reverse, we have to first see a distribution phase form here, and then we have to see a break of that distribution base, and then we can talk about it. But am I seeing any of that right now? I'm not seeing any of that. And also, interestingly, guys, if I show you the short volume data here, like, short sellers have been trying to pile in, and they are getting cooked, guys. They are getting burned. All right, like, short sellers are done. They're kaboom, guys. They're kaboom. Look at it. They're trying to come at it's definitely quite a high short volume percent coming in on day-to-day basis. 46% is quite high. 42% is quite high. 40% was quite high, right? However, what's happening at the same time as they're trying to come in high, but you can see at 200 days moving average, they try to come in a high quantity, but then technically price action wasn't confirming it, so they got squeezed out. That's what also adds momentum. Now up here we are seeing 46 and 42 again. So if we break the levels to the upside, 252 or so, that also adds more fuel in this, like, these short sellers now covering again, and the price is gonna go really quickly up. So $265 and $300 is eventually a possibility. We have to see if we can continue in a single run, but that's where the direction is, $265 and $300. All right. Now, the thing is that there is also other case. Like, I do want to also mention that what if the other case, right? So for that, as I said, you have to see some levels loose first. We have to go into the distribution phase, but this just short selling volume 46 and 42% in itself is not going to do anything. We have to see the price action first form a distribution phase, and if the short selling volume stays high and we break one of the levels to the downside, then you can expect cool off. But I'm telling you, all these short sellers are doubling down because they may have their previous short position. And there are many analysts out there as well that they're still bearish, and they're making the worst call of their career, because technicals are not confirming downside, at least not right now on Tesla. And if we break one level to the upside, all these short sellers are gonna burn. I mean, they're gonna start covering more. Well, good for us, for the long-term buyers, right? Like, I'm loving it, the way my position is so green on Tesla. I mean, amazing. I love it. So yeah, just showing you that short sellers are trying to come, but hey, there is, if price levels breaks to the upside on the technicals, these are the short sellers then gonna add that buying momentum more, and we're gonna keep going higher and higher, right? And if we start to break levels to the downside, then we have to see if we start to go in the distribution phase. But one red or two red candles in itself are not going to change anything. We have to see the structure and the price action. But so far, price action is still full on bullish. As I said, pullback today is getting bought back up. All right, buyers are still present in the market. Now here we go. I wanna talk about some ridiculous analysts. They are nowhere near being robotaxis. Bearish Tesla analysts. And Musk is promoting smoke and mirror stock is overvalued. And this is that Gordon Johnson, if you know, that has $30 now. He was at $15 first, right? Oh, Tesla will come down to $15. Now he's at $30. I don't know what this guy's up and up in the air. And Wells Fargo also had their bearish analyst come on CNBC when Tesla was at 230, and he was saying, oh, Tesla is bearish. Oh, there's a bearish case. Oh, I don't understand. What are they doing? What are they doing, guys? I mean, I'm not sure if Wells Fargo was covered over here on the articles here, but Yeah, and Tesla says their EV truck, the most sold in US EV truck in Q2, Cybertruck, I mean. But yeah, anyways, guys, this is yeah, this is quite interesting, eh? Um, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm Wells Fargo. Just YouTube it. YouTube Wells Fargo thing, okay? And you will get to know more about what that Wells Fargo bearish case is. Come on, I don't understand what they're talking about. Anyways, there are some of these price upgrades I want to talk about. China Renaissance upgrades Tesla to buy from hold at just price target to 282 from 115. See, these guys are coming when the price has made its move, right? They were 151, and price, price has been hovering at 170 for so long. And we have been talking on this channel, guys, that the structure is bullish, structure is bullish. If you have been seeing my videos, you have already made your money. If you listen to these analysts, right, who upgrade their price target when the price has made the move, you're never gonna make money, right? Like, what's the point of now raising the price target when Tesla has already made the move all the way to $280, close to that? Here we go. The another one, CICC adjusts price target on Tesla to $300 from 215. Okay, we'll give them a benefit here that they were not as that low. They were at 215. They are now just playing a catch-up game. But anyways, guys, these analysts are just analysts. Doesn't matter what they have to say. Just stick with the technicals, trade with the technicals, with the proper disciplines of stop losses, disciplines of take profit targets, size in, size out, portfolio management. That's all what it's all about. And I'm here to educate you what to look for in the price action and how to trade. Again, my videos are only for education purposes. You are free to do whatever you want to do. I'm not telling you what you have to do. You can go and make your own decisions, whatever you want to do. All right, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and links are in the description below this video. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.